You might be wondering why this video starts with music instead of an amateur product review, a sales pitch, or one of those gimmicky product teardowns. Simple. Because when something's built right, it has a rhythm. It's smooth under load. It hits hard when it needs to, and it never sounds fake. Anyone can sell noise. We design and sell solar systems that absolutely rock. Whether you're powering the lights and sound system at a massive off-grid metal concert in the desert, or keeping your home's lights and appliances running through the next monster storm, DIYsolar.com has got you covered. With the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service. We build our DIY off-grid solar systems using only the highest quality inverters, solar panels, and batteries available. Unlike the lightweight, high-frequency transformerless units most companies push, our inverters are built around heavy-duty output transformers. That massive iron core provides dramatically higher surge capacity, exactly what you need to reliably start demanding inductive loads like air conditioners, power tools, refrigerators, and microwaves. The result isn't just better performance. Low-frequency transformer-based inverters also deliver significantly greater durability and a much longer service life than the fragile high-frequency designs that dominate today's market. This system also includes high-quality, easily installed Integra Rack ground mount solar racks. No concrete footings, no post-pounding, and no earth augers needed. So easy to install that you can complete the installation of 10 solar modules in just under 100 minutes. Proudly made in the USA with US-sourced aircraft-grade aluminum. Bring us the best DIY off-grid solar quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer-lasting, higher performance, top-name brand equipment, and still deliver a price no dealer can touch.